Fergus makes it easy to automate scheduled event reminders, so you don't have to manually notify customers about upcoming jobs. Let's get you set up. To begin, click the profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, select Reminders from the menu on the left. Scheduled event reminders are sent via SMS, so you'll need to enable SMS first if you haven't already. Click the SMS settings button at the top of the page and follow the steps to set it up. There are two types of event reminders available in Fergus: quote or estimate visit reminders, and scheduled job event reminders. Once SMS reminders are enabled, you'll need to specify who receives them and when they'll be sent. Use the drop-down menu to select the contact to send reminders to, and then choose the time frame for sending the reminders. A quick timing tip: be mindful of when reminders will send. For instance, if you set a reminder to go out 12 hours before a 1 PM job, it will send at 1 AM. To avoid this, consider setting reminders for 24 or 48 hours in advance, so they'll go out at the same time as the job is scheduled to start. For example, a reminder for a 1 PM job will send at 1 PM the day before. Another handy tip: you can adjust reminder settings for individual customers if you need to. Simply open the job card, click Job Summary, and scroll down to edit the SMS reminder settings. And that's all there is to it. Start automating your event reminders with Fergus today.